Deon and welcome to Deon's Kitchen. Today I will be showing you how to cook my version of bulgur. Now bulgur is very high in iron and it's a very good source of fiber. It's a really great grain, so if you're looking for a great alternative for rice, I would say use bulgur. You can use it to make bulgur porridge. As a matter of fact, in Jamaica when I was growing up, we had bulgur porridge. We had bulgur that was cooked on the stove. They even have bulgur fritters. You can use it in salads. You can use it to do a lot of things. So it's a very great alternative to rice and it is very healthy. It is a great source of fiber and it's a great source of iron. So today you're going to need 3 cups of bulgur that has been soaked in water overnight. And this is actually 3 cups of bulgur, but if you look at the amount of it, it's a lot. This is actually 6 cups, but because of the water, this is how it looks. I'm not sure if I'm going to use all of this today, but this is my bulgur. Today I have bean sprout, I have asparagus, and if you remember what I said before in my previous videos with asparagus, I peeled it and I blanched it in water. You just put a cup of water over it, hot water over it, let it sit for like a minute or 2 and then you pour it off. Next we have our red pepper, and then we have our super greens, which is actually Swiss chard. There's arugula and baby spinach. You can't leave out your greens. Then we have green bell peppers. We're gonna have some of the marinade. This is the marinade that I made in one of my previous videos. You could check the links below for it. And next we have our Portobello mushroom. You can use whatever mushroom you like. I like Portobello and I like shiitake mushroom. Those are my preference, but any mushroom that you prefer. And we have our onions today. And you know what? This is the vegetable that I like. You can use whatever vegetable you like. And for our spices, we have cayenne pepper and we have red pepper. Now, that's optional. You do not have to use pepper, especially a lot of people cannot have spice. And next beside it, we have our garlic, Escallion, and allspice. And then we have our Himalayan salt. This is the pink salt. It's very, very nutritious salt. And what I will be using today is my organic coconut oil that is cold pressed and unrefined. Coconut oil is very versatile. I use this in my hair. I use it on my skin. I use it to cook with. So it's very good. Pot is on the stove. Stove is on. What I'm going to be doing is just putting a little bit of coconut oil inside of the pot and just let it get hot. So it's hot enough, so I will be adding my onion. Remember, I said I want to always saute my onion first, my herbs first, so that it can release the flavor. I'll just let that saute for another minute. how this looks. So the next thing that I will be adding is my red pepper, my green pepper, and my red pepper. Also going to add the asparagus. And I'm gonna let this cook for at least 1 minute. In 1 minute, so the next thing that I will add into this is my herb marinade. Vegetables still look nice and dense, not very soft and soggy. You want to have your vegetable a little bit on the crunchy side. Know that it has a lot of nutrients when it's still crunchy. Look at this. This looks amazing. You could just eat this by itself already. So just let this cook for another minute. Next, I will be adding my bean sprout. Smells amazing. Next, I will be adding my portobello mushroom. This looks great. Just let it cook for like 30 seconds and then I'll add my bulgur. Alright, this looks good. This is what I'm looking for. I'm gonna be adding to this 4 cups of bulgur. So that is 1. That is 2. 3. 4. Everything together. You want all these vegetables and bulgur mixing together. Turn it down a little bit. will be adding just a pinch of crushed red pepper. I don't want it to be too spicy. And I will be adding just a pinch of cayenne pepper. And when I said a pinch, I really mean a pinch. This is what I'm talking about. I'm looking for the flavor. Now I will be adding my Himalayan salt. I could just pour it from the container, but I don't want too much to pour out. Then I will be adding just a sprinkle of the scallion and garlic allspice. Just mix it all together. Isn't this colorful and just beautiful? The last thing I'm going to add to this is my super green mix. And if you notice that I did not saute this with the rest of the vegetable, because I want to make sure that I get all the nutrients from these greens. So I added the greens when it's finished cooked. Look at this, it looks amazing. Here is the final product or the end result of my version of bulgur. It tastes amazing. Just to let you know, you can eat this with anything you like. You can have it with if you eat chicken, if you eat beans, if you eat fish. This goes very well with fish, and it goes great with the curried garbanzo bean in my previous video that you can check out. So if you like, please share it with a friend. Well, I'm sure that they would enjoy it. Thank you so much for watching another episode of Deon's Kitchen.